Hello you guys. So you might have seen us doing a lot of dropshipping challenges, whether it's 24 hours or 48 hours or 1 lakh rupees challenge. But it's quite easy for us to do the dropshipping challenges because we are quite professional in this business. And it might be not easy for you guys as you are in the beginner level. To test this, at how much difficult it is for newbies to make a dropshipping business for themselves with our help, and how much time does it actually take, whether they will be able to bring any profitable sales in their stores or not. I have hired 3 interns. I'm going to give them a 24 hours dropshipping challenge in which they have to create a Shopify store. Along with that, they have to find a winning product for themselves and have to run ads on their Facebook accounts as well. Let's see how the challenge goes, whether they are going to succeed in this challenge or not, and who performs the best. So guys, as you can see, these are my 3 interns who are going to take up the 24 hours dropshipping challenge for this video.
Hi, I'm Nandini.
Hi, I am Udit.
I'm Shweta.
This is my store.
I made the Shopify store. So this is my store.
And in this video, they are going to do everything possible to bring a profitable sale in their Shopify store. So the first step for the video is that they have to create a Shopify store by their own. I have already given them the instruction to create a Shopify store, and let's check if there are any improvements required. So I'm going to guide them with that. So let's have a look on Udit's store. So Udit, show me your store. Okay, it's quite a good store. So tell me, what was the whole idea while you were customizing the whole store of yours?
So I was trying to keep the store very simple and informative. So I have chosen a very simple logo, heading and description and product also.
So let's go ahead with Nandini's store. Nandini, what was the whole idea of this store?
Ma'am, I have made a general Shopify store on which I have listed the products for the home improvement. I tried to make my store a little engaging, and my main idea was to keep this store in a little boho theme.
Okay, I like the store. So mostly you want to promote home improvement products, right?
Yeah.
I just want you to put a less space in the header menu, and just this shipping orders above 2000 rupees today जो है इसको change करके you have to fit around 100 or something, and try to add a more color in this one. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, your store is good enough. So moving forward to the third and the last intern, that is Shweta. Let's see her store. So Shweta, tell me more about your store.
I made this Shopify store especially for women to ease their home and kitchen work. I added the products like home cleaning, kitchen cleaning, and saving the storage area as well.
Okay, I really like the logo. For the testimonials part, I would suggest just add more Indian pictures in the testimonial part. Like all the names that are written over here is Jaws, Gabriel. Mostly these names are foreigner names. So we are doing it for Indian. So then you have to add something Ramesh or something like that, Indian names. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, I like the store of yours. Along with that, this thing that is written over here, free shipping, change it to like rupees sign would be first before 99. Okay. Okay, so the store creation part has been done, and they have done quite a good job with the store creation thing, and it's time for them to find a winning product for themselves. For that, they have been using meta ad library to search out the products that have a potential and could be a winning product. They are going to make a product page of that particular product. There are some specifications that you need to know while creating a product page. Your product page should be very tidy, it should be very engaging. You can add more GIF and better images. Especially make sure your images should be very clear, and the most important part is that each product page of yours should have at least 20 to 30 minimum reviews. For that, they are using Judge Me app where they can add the reviews by their own. So let's see what's the progress till now. Okay, so let's begin with Nandini. Nandini, tell me about your product.
So ma'am, this is the product page which I have created, and it is about a vacuum cleaner which we can use in our car and in our homes as well.
Okay, let me see your product page. Okay. Do one thing, just add the GIFs on the top, okay, so that it can be more engaging. I can see that you haven't added many reviews. I want at least 20 to 30 reviews on the product page. As you can see, she have added these kind of money back guarantee and guaranteed safe checkout. That builds quite a good trust on the customer's mindset. That is why it is very important to add this on your product page. So yeah, good job done. So let's go ahead with Udit's product page. So Udit, tell me your product which you have researched.
So this is the golden trimmer which I have researched on Metadata. I found is pretty good and trending also, and we can use and affordable also.
Okay, just show me the product page. Yeah, this is a good product page. I told you to add the Judge Me app. Just add that app and add more reviews. I want photo image reviews so that it could be more engaging. Okay. Okay, good job. So most of them have done the good job. So Shweta, this is your product page, right?
Right, ma'am.
So tell me about your product.
Okay, ma'am. This is the kitchen soap dispensing, which is useful for women too, because while cleaning the dishes, their hands will get rough and sometimes cut by the soap detergents. So this is helpful for them.
Your product page is good, but I want you to add like these GIFs that you have added. Add them on the top about the product name and everything. Just add the product name and remove all these kind of things, plastic material and everything. These are the extra information. I want you to add more images on the top, okay, and the GIFs. Okay. I can still see there are not much enough reviews. Add at least 30 to 40 reviews. Product page has been done, but they haven't added many reviews. So let's see when they are going to add the reviews. After that, it's time for them to run ads. For that, they are going to set up their Facebook accounts. So I have already given them some videos through which they know how to set up a Facebook account. For now they are using their own Facebook accounts. Moving forward, they will be running an engagement campaign for today. So once the engagement campaign part is done, the only part that is left is running Facebook ads. That is we call sales campaign. They have done quite a lot of work today. So I want them to run an engagement campaign so they can get more engagement on their page. So for the sales campaign, they will be running the sales campaign tomorrow onwards. To make this video a little bit more crazy, we have decided to give away all the stores that have been created in this challenge video. You can get these stores for free. You just have to participate in the giveaway. To participate in this giveaway challenge, just have to like and share this video as much as possible. You have to comment down below and tell us why do you want the store and why do you want to get into the e-commerce. So the best answer will get the store for free. The best thing about the stores is that you don't have to pay a single penny for the store for 3 months, and you can run your ads and you can have a good result out of it. So what are you waiting for? Go and participate as soon as possible. So the product page part has been done till now, and they have set up their Facebook account for now. So let's see what is the progress on their engagement campaign. And moving forward, they have to run a sales campaign. That is the main campaign that they have to run to bring sales. So yeah, let's go and see the progress. Okay. So this is your ads manager and you have already run the engagement campaign, right? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So she has done this engagement campaign by herself because we do have engagement campaign video in our YouTube. So you can go and check out that video also. You can see the status of the engagement campaign is on the processing level. Once it is done, it will show active over here. So let's go ahead and see the progress here. Okay. Publish it. So now he has to just do the prepaid payment, and after that his engagement campaign will start running. So just do it fast. She have already run the engagement campaign. Okay, so Shweta has also run her engagement campaign. So most of the part of this challenge has been done till now. The only thing that is left that they have to run a sales campaign. So that task I have assigned them to do it by themselves. So let's see, I have told them that they have to schedule their ads by 12 AM. So tomorrow 12 PM we can expect some good amount of sales, and let's see who wins this challenge.
Later that night. The next morning.
As of now, all the things related to the challenge has been completed. We have to go and check out the results. So I am pretty excited and I'm just thinking who is actually going to win. For that, you have to come with me and check out the real results. Okay, so guys, it's time for some results. So guys, it's time for us to announce the winner and you can guess who is the winner. So 3, 2, 1. So the winner is Udit. He has got 3 orders and Shraddha has got 1 order and Nandini has got none. So Udit, you have got 3 orders of काफी कम budget में you have got 3 orders. So how you're feeling like you have got your first 3 sales?
Yes ma'am, I'm feeling very happy that I got 3 orders in my first campaign sale. Firstly, I have learned how to create a store, then how to customize the description and how to write their reviews.
Okay.
I have run an engagement campaign on Facebook like for warm up, and then I have run the sale campaign in which I have created a campaign in which I have created 2 ad sets and in each ad set 1 ad.
So as per your experience, how was the whole learning experience for this dropshipping? Do you think that dropshipping is quite difficult for beginners? Does it take a lot of time to learn by their own?
No, if we got a clear guidance, mentorship, then it's not difficult to do dropshipping.
So would you like to go further for like learning more type of dropshipping, like scaling and everything?
Yes, ma'am,
So
definitely.
so yeah guys, that is it, and you can also start by your own. The only thing that you need is little bit of guidance. Otherwise you can see that at the beginner level they have done quite a good job. So if you want to start your own dropshipping business and you're facing any problem related to that, you can comment down us below or you can contact us in the WhatsApp number. So yeah guys, that's it. As you know that they were all in the beginner level and they have done quite a good job. I can't say that it is all through my guidance. They have learned all the things by themselves. I was just guiding them through this process and they were highly motivated for this. So that is why they have been able to achieve some good results. And if you also want to start your own dropshipping business and you feel like that you need some guidance, you can comment down us or you can contact us on our WhatsApp number that is given below. So I hope you guys like the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.